Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another Hedera Hbar update. Hedera is absolutely killing it. We just broke this local top and we are going towards 618 Fibonacci retracement level, and if we break that resistance and we successfully retest it, we're gonna go towards 33 cents. So the first station is 27 cents. If we break it, we're gonna go towards 33 cents. Everything is looking really good now. However, I have to warn you because there are some dangers, because everything is looking perfect on the market, but it usually looks good until it's not. And if we look at RSI right now, the weekly RSI right here, we are at all-time high, and it's weekly RSI. So you have to be really careful because a lot of retail investors are coming into this market and they are providing a lot of liquidity, and some volatility may happen. So you have to know how to move on this market. So make sure you watch that video, because at the end you will know what to expect and how to behave. Okay, so the first thing I want you to understand that there is a lot of smart money, including us, their subscribers, that we purchased this project at the very low levels, right? And there are a lot of whales, a lot of smart money that is an insane amount of profit, which is approximately 400-500%. That's huge. That's a lot. And in order for you to understand that, the market cap of Hbar at those levels right here was approximately $1 billion right now. Guess how much it is right now? And we have to take a look at CoinGecko right now, and let's take a look at CoinGecko. We can find Hedera Hbar number 25. It's $9 billion. All right, so that's huge. $1 billion here, $9 billion there. So what does it mean? That means that $8 billion just came from the retail market. All right, a lot of people went in the market, and those people are an insane amount of profit. And if they sell, if actually they sell their positions right now, they're gonna take advantage of those people who actually bought Hedera on this way up on that candle. So they're gonna just steal money from the people that are coming. So smart money will use retail for their own profit, because money doesn't come from thin air. All right, it comes from other people. So a few individuals here will make money from hundreds of thousands of people that invest in something, and it works like that. It's never, it's one to one. It's never, money doesn't come from air. All right, it comes from people. So you have to be aware of that. There are some dangers, and you can see it clearly on a weekly RSI, which is my favorite indicator, showing you that we are at all-time high right now. And I'm not saying that we're not going to continue growing. I'm not saying that we're not going to reach 618 level here and number 2 right there and go to new all-time highs. It's highly possible. All right, I'm just saying that it would be normal to see a volatility like this before actually going up again later, right? So doesn't matter how far this movement will go. We have to see how far this will go before some major correction. And then when major correction happens, it's going to be a huge shakeout, and it's going to shake out a lot of people in those whales. And it's going to happen because those whales will take a lot of profits and will push the price down, and they will buy back. And when they buy back, so those people who are buying right now, they're going to see their value of their assets going down and down and down. They're going to keep selling and selling in fear. And the whales that took profit here will start buying hard on those Fibonacci retracement levels, which is usually between 0.5 all the way down to 236, especially for altcoins. So on those levels, the whales from the top will start buying hard, and that will push the price up, and we'll have another bullish momentum. And those people who sold on the way down will get in, will FOMO in later. So it's like a emotional roller coaster, emotional shakeout, and it's gonna drain a lot of wallets of retail people. Okay, so I'm just warning you so you're not one of these people. So if you actually purchased Hedera at those levels, you're in insane profit right now, and you can actually take it and move it around somewhere else, or just lower your exposure. Of course, this is not financial advice. As always, this is just my personal opinion. However, I am a fan of taking profits when things are green, when things are growing. And in case we go down lower, even if it's to this 618 level, you can just buy back. If you even take 20%, 40% of profit, we can go 50% lower. And then when we bounce back to the same spot, you're going to have around 100% profit back. So we can actually use that money to get in again and double it on the way up, which is perfect trading setup. Okay, so I hope you understand that there's some dangers on this market. When things are green like that, you should be worried. You should be really worried. And if you want to be a successful trader, investor, you should have the mentality. So when you see green candles, that's when you should be worried. When you see red candles, you should be thankful and you should be excited. And that's how rich, experienced traders behave like. All right, so you have to have that mentality in order to win on this market and any other market. So let's talk about price prediction right now. We are trading at around 23 cents and market cap is 9 billion. And is it possible for Hbar to go to 50 cents? Which would be all-time high, by the way. So let's assume that we're going to 50 cents. That would mean the market cap of around 18 billion dollars, and that would put Hedera right behind Tron and Shiba Inu. So tripling in price right now would mean like 26 or something like that. We would just be right behind as the Ethereum lead stake Ether. But if we were to actually go into top 10 right now without the whole market moving up, that would mean that Hedera would have to do like at least 5x, between 5x up to 10x from this point right here. But you shouldn't really look at that because it may happen or not. There are a lot of people giving you price predictions of like $1, $2, $5. They want you to buy and hold because they want to provide liquidity for the market so they can sell. All right, I hope you get it. It's really, really simple. They need a lot of people to buy so they can sell, so they can take profit, because money doesn't come from nothing. It comes from retail investors. It's hard truth, but this is how it is. And you have to really secure your profits, secure your money, so you can be one of very few percent people that actually make money on this market, because 95% or more will lose money. Because why? Because they don't take profits. You have to take profits. You have to learn how to take profits. And I don't like to wait for 5x or 10x, because what these people want you, they want you to wait until hypothetically eventually will go all the way up here. But it may never happen. It may never happen. And if you wait, then you may lose everything, because it may go just here. We have a top and then we have a bear market and the project is dead forever, you know. So this may happen, and you have to have it in mind that things like that may happen. So don't wait, just take your profit around, and then you can move it around. You can move it to Dogecoin, you can move it to XRP, because XRP will crash. So last thing I want to talk about is actually the support levels, the update of the support level. And the natural support level will be all the way back there. Right here we have a resistance that wasn't broken. We broke it here, and as the previous local top over here. So that's the first scenario where we hit that support, we bounce back, and we go to 618 level. That's the first one. And the second support is here around that area, 618 level area. But also there's a a local top right here. So anything in that box would be a second support. So the second scenario would be actually going all the way back here before moving there. So that movement would be around 50%, and another movement would be around 100, something like that. Very, very simple. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked this analysis. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Everything really helps. You can just like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. That's it. Thank you so much, and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.